Hello, I'm Katie with WTI, and I have to recommend these white Egyptian cotton sheets from Customer Delight. I often struggle with being hot at night, and I have been searching for sheets that will keep me cool and comfortable. These have been a dream come true. These sheets are made of Egyptian cotton, and they have a 1,000 thread count. Now, the Egyptian cotton makes the sheets very breathable, and the more breathable the material, the cooler that you stay. On that basis alone, I have to recommend these, but there's so much more. They are also designed with satinine stripes, which is just so elegant, and it personally just makes me feel like I'm staying at a hotel each night that I lay in them. They also have very deep pockets, which is a must for me. Nothing is more irritating than when the pockets pop up, and I just don't have an issue with that with these sheets. I think that they're a necessary investment. If you take care of them, they can last a long time, and that means years of having a good night's sleep. I just can't recommend these sheets enough, so now you know, try it for yourself, and that is my point of view.